So let's do it. First, select the object you want to put the gold color on. So I'm going to do it on the default cube only. Add a plane, scale it up, this much should be fine. Drag the cube up. Okay, now duplicate it. So I'm duplicating it because there are two types of gold color. You can choose whichever is good. The first one is the golden yellow color and the second is metallic gold. So first I'm going to show you the golden yellow color. Add a new material, and for the second cube also. Now for the first cube, go to surface and select glossy BSDF. Now change the roughness to 0.133, and in the color go to RGB and type 0.255. For green 0.223, and for blue 0.0, just see. And for the second cube, change it to glossy BSDF as well. In the roughness 0.133, and for this first cube also. In the second cube, go to RGB. For red, type 0.212. For green, type 0.175. For blue, type 0.055. Okay, so let's check it out. So now you can see this is the golden color and that's metallic gold. Let me bring the light a little closer so you can see it properly. So now this is a golden color. If you wanted to reflect a little bit more, you can change the roughness accordingly for the cube, but for me this golden color is fine. Silver. So first what I'm going to do is drag the cubes back, and I'm going to delete the metallic gold one. So now add another cube, drag it upwards. Okay, so now go to select the cube, add a new material, change the base color. Change the surface to glossy BSDF first. Done. Now for the color, type 0.192 for red, 0.192 for green, and 0.192 for blue. That's it. Let's check it out and adjust the roughness accordingly. I think this much should be fine. Let's increase the light and see. Okay, so this is looking fine. Let's add another cube for the copper. Just duplicate the silver one. Move to solid view first. Okay, so now it's the time for the copper one. Select the copper cube, go to RGB, and for red type 0.184. For green type 0.115. For blue type 0.51, 0.05. Okay, so let's check it out and adjust the roughness accordingly. So this is looking fine, I think. Oh wait, I accidentally changed the color of the silver one as well, so I'm going to revert it back. Okay, so now you can see the gold, silver, and the bronze. If the silver one you want a little bit darker, you can just go over here and bring this down, and same goes for the copper one as well. You can adjust the darkness and the lightness over here. So that's it for this video. Here you have the golden cube, the silver cube, and the bronze cube.